So, Billy, is the water cold?
Nah, it's actually pretty warm. Jump in.
Okay, if you say so.
You lied to me, it's so cold!
Dude, it's not even that cold.
Dude, my toes are freezing! My toes are
You
about
don't even
to
know my
fall off.
middle name?
Oh my god, I
You
think a
don't
turtle
believe
just bit my
dinosaurs?
toe!
You don't know my life
You got me in
story?
this water with a turtle!
Actually, for Billy, the water is warm because he already experienced the transfer of thermal energy. But for you, you're experiencing that transfer of thermal energy right now. So in just a little bit, the water might be warm for you too. It's science!
Who are you and why are you in my pool?
I'm gonna learn all about science with Boomer.
Science! Hi, I'm Boomer, and I love science! On this lovely day, we are going to be talking about what thermal energy is and the different ways it can be transferred, which are conduction, convection, and radiation. To understand thermal energy, we first have to understand temperature! How hot or cold something feels is related to its temperature. The glass on the left has hot water, and the glass on the right has cold water. The water may appear to not be moving, but the molecules in the water are always in constant motion. Because these molecules are moving, it means they have kinetic energy! Which is the energy of motion. Yay! However, because the water in these two glasses aren't at the same temperature, their molecules aren't moving at the same speed. The glass with hot water has faster moving molecules, which gives it greater kinetic energy. And the glass with cold water has slower moving molecules, giving it less kinetic energy. The more kinetic energy the molecules have, the higher the temperature will be. Now, thermal energy is the total kinetic energy of the molecules that make up a substance. So, higher temperature means faster molecules, which means greater kinetic energy, which means more thermal energy! When thermal energy is transferred, we call this heat. There are 3 different ways heat can be transferred: conduction, radiation, and convection.
Wow!
Conduction is the transfer of heat through direct contact. Conduction. If I grab a good old piece of ice right here, and I hold it in my hand, not only will the ice start to melt, but also my hand will get cold. The fast-moving molecules in my hand collide with the slow-moving molecules of the ice. During these collisions, energy is transferred from molecule to molecule. The molecules in the ice cube then get faster, making it warm up, and the molecules in my hand slow down, making it colder. Radiation is the transfer of thermal energy through electromagnetic waves. These can travel through the vacuum of space. This is why we are able to feel heat from the sun. All objects emit electromagnetic waves, but warmer objects emit more than cooler objects do. The final method on how thermal energy is transferred is convection. Convection is the transfer of thermal energy by the movement of molecules from one part of a material to another. The water at the bottom of the pot is heated from the flames on the stove. The molecules in the water at the bottom of the pot are now moving faster than the molecules in the water at the top of the pot. Faster moving molecules means molecules that are more spread out, making the water at the bottom of the pot less dense than the cooler water at the top. The cooler, more dense water falls to the bottom, and the warmer, less dense water goes to the top. The cooler water is then heated from the flame. This cycle happens until everything is the same temperature. And you just got scienced, yo!